Hey, this is Paul from Fishing Montana. I'm here at a gorgeous, gorgeous river you've seen in some other videos. Starting out today on the very first spot, I'm hoping to catch some brown trout. I've never been skunked on this river before, so the chances are pretty good we'll at least catch something. I got my spin casting rod, I got my fly rod. I'm gonna try to catch some fish on both today if possible. So let's hit this first spot and then keep on going down the river. There we go. There's a nice brown. Oh, I lost it. There we go. Oh! Oh! Oh, no, away from the rocks, buddy. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, this thing's nuts! Such a healthy brown trout. Super aggressive. All right, finally got a fish on. Let's be careful to land this guy. I don't want to hurt him because he's so crazy. Look at that beautiful brown trout. All right, caught one. I actually might switch to the fly rod here because there's tons of fish. I'm seeing tons of fish here. It'd be really fun to catch one on the fly rod. So a couple more casts with a spin casting, then we'll go from there. There we go. That's a good, healthy one. Oof, what happened to you, buddy? Look at that. What the? I've never seen that happen before. Oh, and I caught a fish too. No way, first cast with the fly rod, I caught a trout. Don't break off on me, buddy. Don't break off on me. Is that a whitefish? Catching nothing but gorgeous browns on the spin casting rod, and then I catch a whitefish. Oh, and there it goes. Oh, that's fine. I didn't need to land that one. I didn't lose my nymph either, so that's good. Got my my spool fixed. That was crazy. I don't know if it's just because it was wound too tight in its new line or what, but perfect. Oh, guess what? Caught another whitefish. This one's a lot smaller. So apparently this is a good whitefish fly. Smallest fish of the day. All on this little nymph. So that first spot was pretty good. Had some hang-ups with the fly rod. Managed to catch 2 whitefish on the fly rod, 2 brown trout on the spin casting rod. So we're having a good day today so far. We're gonna continue to drive up the river here, find a new spot and start fishing some more. So let's go. All right, we're at the second spot. Usually I spend a majority of the time at this spot, but this time we're gonna mix it up a bit. Only fish a little bit from the bank here and then go deeper into the mountains for the really good stuff. We're just gonna cast along this bank here with the fly rod, see if we catch anything and then move on. There we go. There's a little guy. Got another one. This one's a little bigger, not much. I drove way the heck back in here now, back in the mountains. There's a great section of stream up here we're gonna check out real quick with the fly rod. Maybe put the drone up. Let's see if there's any fish in this section.